Hey, DIY enthusiasts! Got some old furniture lying around? Don't toss it just yet. Instead, let's transform those tired pieces into stylish gems. Today, I'm going to show you how to upcycle furniture using creative techniques and materials. First up, let's talk about paint. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Opt for bold colors to make a statement or soft pastels for a chic vintage vibe. Don't forget to sand your furniture first, so the paint adheres well. Next, consider reupholstering. Changing the fabric on chairs or cushions can completely revamp your furniture. Choose a fun pattern or a luxurious fabric to add a touch of elegance. Staple guns and fabric scissors are your best friends here. Now let's get creative with stencils and decals. They're perfect for adding intricate designs without the hassle. You can find a wide variety of stencils online. Just place them on the furniture, paint over them, and voila, instant artistry. Ever thought about decoupage? This technique involves gluing paper cutouts onto your furniture and sealing them with varnish. It's a fantastic way to personalize your pieces with images, maps, or even comic book pages. Don't forget about hardware. Swapping out old handles and knobs for new stylish ones can make a huge difference. Think brass, glass, or even handmade ceramic knobs. It's a quick and easy way to add character. Lastly, incorporate natural elements. Adding a wooden plank top, some woven baskets, or even some greenery can give your furniture a fresh, organic feel. And there you have it. Upcycled furniture that's not only stylish, but also eco-friendly. So next time, think twice before throwing out that old piece. Happy crafting! Catch you in the next video.